Okay, good morning, students. We have started our second chapter, measurement, and in this we have studied the three system of units to measure any physical quantity. Okay, what I said, these three system of units are FPS system, CGS, and MKS system. Now next is certain units and certain quantities we will be using standard unit. Standard unit means those units which are acceptable everywhere in the world. Such units are called standard units. See, if I am measuring mass in MKS system, everywhere in the world, everyone should measure that unit mass in MKS as kilogram only. Okay? Hence, standard units are those units which are valid everywhere in the world. Now, for certain physical quantities, there are certain standard units. Let us say those standard units first. For length, always the standard unit is meter. This is standard unit and its symbol it is. Okay, symbol is M. Everywhere length, the standard unit is meter, its symbol is M. Mass, standard unit is kilogram, symbol is kg. Okay, time, second, you can write S, or some books SEC is also written. Okay, next, temperature, Kelvin, it's the name of a scientist, its symbol is capital K. Next is amount of substance. Amount of substance, standard unit is mole. MOL, you will be writing its symbol. Okay. Next, current, electric current, or you can say current, ampere, it's also name of the scientist, A. Okay, next, angle, radian, unit is RAD, solid angle, steradian, unit is ST. Okay, solid angle, current, amount of a substance, temperature, time, mass, length. These are the fundamental physical quantities. Apart from angle and solid angle, these are called as the fundamental physical quantities. These two, angle and solid angle, are called as supplementary angles. Okay? Wherever you go, the standard unit for length is always meter and we denote it with symbol small m. For mass, kilogram, and the symbol is kg. Time, second, yes. Temperature, Kelvin, K. Amount of a substance, mole. Current, ampere. AMP is also valid, okay? Ampere, AMP or A. These are certain standard units, okay? Now here, after knowing about these units, you must follow certain rules for writing the units of the quantities. Hence, it is named as conventions of writing units of a physical quantities and their symbols. Okay? See, first rule is always, remember my words, the rules for writing the symbols of units. First rule is always the symbols must be written in small letters. Okay, meter, if you write capital M, it's wrong. Okay, always the symbols of the unit must be written in small letter. Second one is, if the standard units are the names of a scientist, then the symbols must be written in capital letters. Okay, like I have shown you temperature. This is named after a scientist called Kelvin. Hence, the symbol should be written in capital. The symbol must be written capital only if the standard unit is the name of a scientist. Otherwise, they all must be written in the small letters. Third one, see, there is a mass of 20 kilograms. If you are writing in words, you can write plural form, 20 kilograms. But if you are writing in a number, 20 kg, don't keep yes, it's wrong. If you are writing in 20 kilograms, 40 kilograms, 40 seconds, then you can write the plural form. If you are writing like a number, then just write mass equal to 20 kgs. Don't keep yes there. Okay. These are the certain rules. One more rule is, if you are writing in a sentence, the standard unit of length is meter. Like standard unit of length is meter. The sentence is over. You can keep a full stop. If you are representing a symbol, don't keep a full stop there. It's wrong. Just simply write meter. If you are writing in a like sentence, standard unit of length is meter, full stop. You can write in brackets m, full stop. But when you are writing in the symbol, don't keep a full stop besides the symbol. Okay? These are the certain rules that are to be followed while writing the symbols of and units of certain physical quantities. Okay? In the next class, we will be studying an activity there. Okay? How to measure the length of a curved line. Okay, children? Your homework is practice the standard units, name of the physical quantity, standard units and their symbols. Okay, children? Thank you.